Okay, so today's lab we're going to investigate Le Chatelier's principle with the totally cool cobalt chloride. Remember the little purple jobs? Remember these guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're doing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a 125 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask from the cabinet or the cupboard over there. And a lot of this is add about, so that's fine. This is the cobalt 2 chloride crystals. They're these purple crystals. You're going to add into your flask about 2 grams. Okay, it doesn't need to be exactly 2.000 grams, about 2 grams. And then you're going to add to it some water. Here we go. So you're going to add some water, about 10 milliliters of lab water. Yeah.
Do you want us to put it on a piece of paper and weigh it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's always that's good lab practice, but it doesn't need to be exactly like 2.000. Just write down how much you use. And then about 10 milliliters of lab water, enough to get it to dissolve. It's going to dissolve pretty fast. If you want to use a stir bar, you can. If you want to swirl, that's fine too. Okay. Then once you have made your solution, it should be in the neighborhood of purple. Purple is the balance between the pink cobalt hydrate complex ion and the blue cobalt chloride complex ion. Okay? So then once you have that approximate equilibrium, you're going to stress the equilibrium. One of the stresses you're going to add is 8 molar hydrochloric acid. Now, this is 8 molar. Anything above a molar, we consider concentrated. Anything above 1 molar. So this is 8 molar. This doesn't mess around. Okay, you know how I said if you get it on your clothes, next time you do your laundry, you'll have a hole there. There's a good chance that hole is going to appear somewhere around English class if you get this on your clothes. So I strongly recommend you wear aprons during this. And again, this is why it's in droppers. So the proper dropping technique, so you don't get stuff all over it, is open it up and drop vertically. So drop vertically. Don't go at an angle, because if you go at an angle, it's going to get all over here. And you're like, my hands are all tingly. I know. It's because there's a reaction going on and your hands are being consumed. So don't go like this. Vertical dropping. Use proper dropping technique. Okay? So far, so good? So that's going to stress the equilibrium. And then once you've made that stress, you're going to put it, you're going to bring it back to equilibrium. So it's back to a purpleness by adding water. So you'll have quite a bit in here now. You'll have the drops from the acid. Hey, it stressed it. You're going to add water to bring it back to that purple color. Then you're going to put it in some hot water. To put this in hot water, you just get a 250 milliliter. I think 250 is fit for this. Half full of water. Put it in the microwave. Give it 2 minutes. You got your hot water ready to go. That's why it's there. It's fun for making popcorn, but it's there to warm water up. Okay. Then you're going to put it in the hot water and notice how the stress changes. Cool? Okay, so there's the hot water, ice cold, and I'll have the ice cold water coming up. So I got to go get a bunch of ice. I'll have that coming up, and then there you go. Questions? So follow the instructions. Again, glasses absolutely required. Do not take them off. Don't protect like I'm protecting my head. No, protect your eyes. So glasses on the entire time. Again, don't mess around with this. This is not messing around. Aprons, recommended, not required. Okay. And gloves, you can put them on if you want to. We still have a few left. Questions? All right. In that case, get your safety equipment. Get everything you need. Again, there are 3 vials of the copper chloride you will have to share. And I'm going to go get some ice water.